and therefore I am the National Chief Agent for the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party. As you know, we had received an invitation that the announcement by the chairman of IEBC of the results of the presidential results will come out today at 3 p.m. We have been waiting for that announcement, but before the announcement can be made, we as agents had been assured that we will be supplied with the Form 34C. The chairman has been very evasive the whole day. He has been avoiding to meet us as agents. He has deliberately held himself incommunicado. We do not know where he is. We have every reason to believe that this is an extension of the irregularities that all Kenyans have witnessed in these elections. These have been the most mismanaged election perhaps in our country's history. We have had concerns, particularly about the integrity of the IEBC technology and server. We have intelligence and reports that their system was penetrated and hacked, and that some of the IEBC officials actually committed electoral offenses, and some of them ought to have been arrested if they were not arrested. I think you will remember that I had earlier stated that Bomas of Kenya was a crime scene.